How do you turn down the volume on the Apple Watch? Let's talk about it. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so there are like two main ways how you're gonna do this. At first, click the side button on your Apple Watch and go to the notifications. The control center actually, right? So here are all of the controls and you can just change like the Wi-Fi and everything. And the first way is to enable the silent mode. So that is the first way, so you can enable it and make sure that the Apple Watch doesn't ring or doesn't make any sound when you receive an alert or notification or anything else. Speaking of the alerts, you can also change the volume of them, but this has to be done on the iPhone in the watch application, and then in the sound section, sounds and haptics, you can dial down the ringtone and alerts slider, right? So that is like your notifications and incoming calls volume. But then still on the Apple Watch, you can scroll to the control center a bit more, and then we have the volume controller. This is not for the alerts or ringtones, but this is instead for the content or whatever gets played on the Apple Watch. For example, somebody sends you a video over iMessage, you click on it to play it. Well, here you decided the volume of that. Or for example, there might be like a preview of a music in a Shazam, right? You might as well just control the volume of this type of content, right? So that is like a separate thing, but it's also a way of turning down the volume on the Apple Watch. So I would really appreciate your feedback if you manage to do what you needed. Let me know what you think. Thanks a lot for watching, but stay tuned so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you then.